Today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058011 May-June 2016. Question number 1. A train leaves Zurich at 22:40 and arrives in Vienna at 7:32 next day. Work out the time taken. We can use calculator for easier calculation. From 22:40 up to midnight will be 24, so we will write 24 hours minus 22 hours and 40 minutes. This one will be 1 hour and 20 minutes. This will be 1 hour and 20 minutes plus 7 hours and 32 minutes. This much time after 12 midnight we will add in this, and we will write plus 7 hours and 32 minutes, and our answer will be 8 hours and 52 minutes basically. And we can write here 8 hours and 52 minutes. Question number 2. From a sample of 80 batteries, 3 are faulty. Work out the percentage of faulty batteries. So faulty are 3 out of 80. To calculate the percentage, we will multiply by 100, and this calculation we can check. This will be 3 over 80 multiplied by 100. This will be giving us 3.75%. So answer will be 3.75%. Question number 3. In a group of students, the probability that a student is left-handed is 0.28. A student is chosen at random from the group. Find the probability that this student is not left-handed. So left-handed is this one. So 1 minus 0.28 will be not left-handed, and this will be 1 minus 0.28, and this will be resulting to 0.72. 0.72 will be our final answer. Question number 4. Write 1.27 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 as an ordinary number. So our number is 1.27. 10 raised to the power minus 3. It means this will be shifted. This will be taking 3 jumps to the left. So 1, 2 and 3. So decimal will be reaching here. So 0, 0, and this will be gone. So our answer will be 0.00127. So we can write here 0.00127. Hopefully you are understanding. Then change this meters to kilometers. So meters to kilometer conversion, we know this will be divided by 1000 because there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. So this divided by 1000, and this will be equal to, this will be cancelled, and this will be equal to 60 kilometers. So we can write here 60 kilometers. Question number 6. Calculate this one, giving your answer correct to 4 significant figures. We have to calculate this number, and we can use calculator. 2.1. Basically we can use brackets first. 2.1 minus 0.078 and whole raised to the power 17, and 4 significant figures are required. So answer is 15. Whatever we are getting on calculator is this number 157,862.7163, and up to 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers we want to cut from here. So this will be 0, 1, 5. This is more than 5, so we will add here. So 7, 9 and 0, 0. This will be our answer, 157900. This will be our final answer. Now write on the mathematical name of an angle that is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. So this will be acute. A five-sided polygon is basically pentagon. So we will say pentagon over here. Then we have to sum the matrix provided, and for this sum we will just add the respective members. So -3 -4 will be -3 -2 -4 will be this one, and -3 and +7 will be this, and it will be resulting to -6 and 4. So our answer will be -6 and 4. For this one we will be multiplying 2 multiply by 5 and -8 multiplied by 5, and this will be 10 and -40. So this will be our answer, 10 and -40 over here. And then they're saying that write down the order of rotational symmetry of the shape. For rotational symmetry we will be checking the locations. Like for example, if this is 1, so it will be rotating to this position 2, and then further rotation it will be reaching to this one. So there will be 3 places which we can get the same shape. So this will be a rotational symmetry of order 3. Draw all the lines of symmetry on the shape. So we have to draw all the lines of symmetry. Basically lines of symmetry we can draw, for example, there can be 3 lines of symmetry. One can be this one, basically this one, and this can be the second one, and third can be this one. If we fold the page, this side will be folding on this exactly. So these are basically the 3 lines of symmetry which we have drawn. Now the question number 10. Question number 10 says Umar changes 2000 Saudi Arabian Rial SAR into Euro. So Saudi Rial into Euro. When the exchange rate is provided, work out how much Umar receives, giving your answer correct to the nearest euro. So this is a lighter currency and this is heavier currency. So this many Saudi Riyals. So this will be divided by this conversion ratio 5.087, and this will be equal to 2000 divided by 5.087, and this will be 393, correct to the nearest euro. So whole number we have to provide 393.159, so approximately 393. So rounded answer will be 393. Find the LCM of these two numbers. We have to find the LCM. For the LCM we can use the division method, which is 36 and 48, and we can divide it by 2, 18, and this will be 24, again by 2, this will be 9, and this will be 12, again by 2, this will be 9 as it is, and this will be 6, again by 2, this will be 9 as it is, and this will be 3. Now we can divide it by 3, 3 3s are 9, and 1, and again last time 3, so 1 and 1. Now we can multiply all these numbers, 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 times, so like this one, and 2 times 3 will be this, and if we multiply this, 2 raised to the power 4, so 2 raised to the power 4, and this will be multiplied by 3 raised to power 2, and this will be resulting to 144. So our answer will be 144. This will be our LCM. Question number 12. Find the value of y when m is equal to this one, x is equal to c. So replacing values. So y is equal to m, which is minus 2, into x, which is minus 7, and plus c. Yeah, so plus c. So plus c value is minus 3. So this will be 14 minus 3, which is equal to 11. So our answer will be 11. Hopefully you are understanding everything. Y is equal to qx over p. So write x in terms of, basically x we have to make subject, so we can shift this one p to other side, so it will be py over q is equal to x, and this will be py over q. This will be our answer for this one. Now, or we can write even one step over before this one, like yp is equal to qx, because this is 2 marks, so we can write one step, yp is equal to qx, and then we can write this equation. Question number 14. Diagram is provided which is not to scale. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, and AC is parallel. AC is parallel to BD. Find the value of A and B. So A and B, this side is equal to this side, so their opposite angles will be equal, and so this will be also equal to A, and this is triangle, this is 40 degree, and these two lines are parallel, and this one angle will be equal to this angle, so this will be 40 degree, and A we can this will be 180 minus 2A. So 180 minus basically 40, this will be equal to 2A, because A plus 40 will be equal to 180. So these two angles, if we subtract from 180, we will get 40. So we can calculate this. This will be 140. So A will be equal to 70. So A is equal to 70, B is equal to 40. 70 degrees, and B is equal to 40 degrees. This is our final answer. Question number 15. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. So these two triangles are similar to each other. Calculate the length of EF. Okay, so EF is this side we have to calculate. So we will check the ratio of this one to this one. So 6 is changing to 15. So we can check the conversion ratio, which is K. K is equal to 15 over 6, which is equal to 15 divided by 6 is equal to 2.5. So 2.5. Now if we multiply 6 by 2.5, we will get 15. 6 into 2.5 is equal to 15. Similarly, we will multiply 8.4 by the same number. 8.4 multiplied by 2.5 will be equal to 21. So this side is 21. 8.4 multiplied by 2.5 is equal to 21. So EF is equal to 21. Hopefully you got this. This is like similar shapes technique which we have used. Without using a calculator, this is question number 16. Without using calculator, work out this. We have to solve this fraction. So 6 over 7 division, this will be 3. 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 by 3. And now we can change this into multiplication. 6 by 7 multiplied by 3 over 5. And this one we can write as 18 over 35. So our answer will be 18 over 35, which we can write over here. Now the question number 17. Find the next term in each of these sequences. So we'll check the difference. This is 7 minus 3 will be 4. We adding 4, so 4 and plus 4. So basically adding 4 is the technique. So 15 plus 4 will be 19, and this answer will be 19. Then this will be 7 minus, so minus 3, this is also minus 3, this one also minus 3, so 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, so minus 2 will be over here. Then this will be 1 plus 8, and basically this will be 1, this is 1 square, this is 3 square, so this is a square, these are all square numbers, so this will be 1 square, 3 square, odd number square, 5 square, and this is 7 square. Then this will be 9, next will be 9 square, so 9 square will be 81, so we can write it as 81. This is also done. Now scatter diagram is provided in question number 18, and the scatter diagram shows the prices of houses for sale and their distances from the city center. They have provided these. Price of house, thousands of dollars, and this side is distance from the city center. What type of correlation is shown in scatter diagram? We can see that it is right side is down, so this is negative correlation. If right side is up, left side is down, then it will be positive correlation. So in this case we can write negative correlation, or we can in words write negative, like this one. Then next is Brad wants to live as close to the city center as possible. He has maximum of this much to spend on one of these houses. How close to city center can he live? So 500,000, so 500,000 is this one. So the closest he can live is like around this 4, which is 4 kilometers. From here we can check the reference, like for example this is 500,000, so to this one we have taken this reference from here. So you can show this reference also on the diagram, and this will be 4 kilometers will be our answer. Then they are saying draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. So line of best fit we can draw. Most of the numbers are like in the middle of this one, we can draw over here. So this will be our line of best fit. Roughly numbers should be like half of the number should be above the line and half should be the below line. So total number of crosses above the line and below line should be equal. Estimate the price of a house that is 14 kilometers from the city center. So estimation will be 14 kilometer. We can check from here. 14 kilometer is this reference, which is we can check from here. If we draw reference, this is like 3,100. So basically 310,000. So 310,000, this many dollars. So this will be 310. This is basically estimation, and answer will be within this range. This should be the range. Question number 19. Use a straight edge and compasses only. Construct the bisector of the angle. So we have to draw the bisector of the angle. To draw angle bisector, basically we will turn the page to our convenience. So I'm turning the page, and after that we will be, by help of compass, we can make an arc like this one. After drawing this arc, we can place our compass at these two locations and open the compass a little more and make another arc from here, and of same size another arc over here. Now we got the intersection of the two arcs, and now we can join this point B, and basically this will be the angle bisector of this one. So this is the angle bisector which we have drawn as required. Use the straightedge and compasses only to construct the perpendicular bisector of this one. So perpendicular bisector also we can draw. For the perpendicular bisector, again we will be using a compass, and this is E point and this one is D point. We will open the compass more than half and make an arc above the line and an arc below the line, and the same size of the compass we will be retaining, and we will make another arc above the line and below the line. So both the pair of arcs are intersecting, and now we can join the points of intersections, and this point will be joined with this one, and this will be our basically the line bisector, perpendicular bisector of the line. So this is also done. Now question number 20 is simultaneous equation. We have to solve the given two equations, and if we check these two equations, they are having different coefficients, so we'll have to multiply this equation to equalize the coefficient. We can multiply this equation 1 by 5 and second by 2. So this one by 2, we will get x value as 10. So this will be 10x plus 15y is equal to 75. So this will be 15 into 5 will be 75. So this one will be the first equation. Second equation we can multiply by 2. 10x plus 8y is equal to 26. Now we can subtract, change sign, this will be cancelled. Now 15 minus 8 will be 7y. 7y is equal to 75 minus 26 is equal to 49, and y is equal to 49 over 7. So y value is 7. So we got this y value, which we can write on the space provided over here, and now we will replace this y value in any of these two provided original equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. So 2x plus 3 into 7 is equal to 15. So this will be 21. So 2x is equal to 15 minus 21. 15 minus 21 will be 6. So minus 6, and x will be equal to minus 6 by 2. So minus 3 will be the answer. So x value will be minus 3 and y value will be 7. Question number 21a part. The line graph is provided. The line AB is drawn on the grid. Write down the coordinate of A. Coordinate of A are 0. X value will be 0. Y will be 1. So 0 and 1. Work out the gradient of the line AB. For the gradient we can draw a triangle like this one. We can draw a triangle. We'll have to use basically more than half of the line. So in this case we are using the whole line. At least we have to use half or more than half, right? So this is the triangle which we got. I'm shading this one, and hopefully you have subscribed Maths TV. If you have not yet done so, better to subscribe so that you will be getting new videos about past papers and topic questions as well. So this is done. Now rise is this side, and this side is 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 units this side, and 3 units to this side. So 6 by 3 will be 2. So rise over run we will be getting for the gradient. So it will be 6 over 3, which is equal to 2. So our gradient will be 2. Write down the equation of the line AB in form y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to mx plus c. M gradient is 2, so 2x plus y intercept is 1. This one is y intercept, so this will be 1. So y is equal to 2x plus 1 will be our line in y is equal to mx plus c format. Write down the equation of straight line that is parallel to this one. So parallel to this equation mean it will be having same gradient and basically same gradient, and it can have different c value. So we'll write y is equal to 5x plus any value, like for example plus 2 or something, like any number we can write here, but this number 5 should be retained. So y is equal to 5x plus 2. So this is the equation which we have provided. Then question 22a part, calculate the volume of this cuboid. Volume will be just multiplication length into width into height. So 12 into 7 into 8 will be equal to 672. So we'll write the working like this one, 672. This will be centimeter cube. So 672 centimeter cube will be our answer. Another cuboid has width of this one, height of this one, and volume is this one. Calculate the length. So we can write 6 into 9 into L is equal to 675. So L will be equal to 675 divided by 6 into 9, and we can calculate this 675 basically 675, and divided by 6954. So this will be 12.5 centimeters. 12.5 centimeters. This will be our answer. And the diagram shows a right angle triangle prism. Calculate the volume of the prism. So volume of the prism will be face area multiplied by the length. So face area will be area of this triangle. We can calculate area of the triangle. We know 1 by 2 into base into height. So we can write area of triangle, which is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, and this will be 45 by 2, which is equal to 45 divided by 2 will be 22.5. So 22.5 is face area of this triangle. Now we'll multiply by the length, which is 24. So we can write volume of prism is equal to face area 22.5 multiplied by 24, and this 22.5 will be multiplied by 24, and we will get 540 centimeters cube. 540 centimeter cube. So 540 will be answer over here. So we are done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything, and don't forget to subscribe Maths TV. Also recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows so that they can get benefit of this, and also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.